Let's go ahead and get these out of here, man. Where is my little unboxing?
Oh no.
Now, I don't know what these other audio companies did to Soundcore, but yo, they're coming for every company's neck, plain and simple. Recently, they came out with the Life Q30s. If you watch the reviews on these, like yo, they doing something in this price range that ain't really been done too much. But yo, enough about these. These are already old news. We got something new in the building, man. Let me get these. Oh man, get these out of here. Woo! We have the Soundcore Life Q35, man. Go ahead and get a vision of that. There you go, get a vision. Get that all up in your eyeballs and your eye holes everywhere. So from what I'm understanding, these kind of take everything that the Q30s were good at and kicks it up just a notch. We have high-res audio through wireless and when you hook them up with the aux cord. So you're getting that high-res audio with these, really great quality. You're getting that hybrid ANC, so you're getting that same level of noise reduction and ambient mode. It says a lot of stuff here on the box. Make sure to check the description so you can get the most up-to-date info. Please always do that, because y'all will start typing and be like, but, check the link. All right, do it for your boy. Let's go ahead and get these out of here, man. Where is my little unboxing? This packaging is packaged up nice, so hopefully they still good. Oh man. Let's get my little unboxing knife. You know what it is. Get this plastic off of here. Ooh. Get that out of here. This is kind of nice. The other box didn't do this. All right. Oh wow. Got a little unboxing experience here. Go ahead and pop that. Ooh. Okay, we just gonna put it behind paper? That's what's up. Ooh, hold up. I was gonna put these down and go past it, but the case, man, this feels so soft. Oh my goodness. So this is the case for the Q30s. It's pretty similar to other cases that I have. It has that like same material feel you feel on all types of cases. This one here, they switched it up a little bit. It's softer. Got that nice little color on there. See if we can get that in focus. Yeah, I like that. I'm not mad at that at all. See what else was in the box? You just get a little bit of booklet, some paperwork. We good on that. We don't need that. Ooh, hold on one second. All right, let's see what's in this little bag of goodies. The goodie bag. 3.5 millimeter aux cable with inline mic and control. I'm not mad at that. Get your USB-C cable. In the case, you see, they kind of tell you how to put it in there. Let me see if y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I didn't notice that before. Let's take a look at the headphones. Oh, we got that blue. Man, I hope this is coming up in the camera. You get the logo here. Oh man, you can see that shine off the band. Oh, that is so clean. So you get the swivel action going on. Then you can cup them up like that. On the right ear cup, you have plus and minus, plus a play button, play pause, and you have your input for your 3.5 millimeter aux. Then on the left side, you have your noise canceling changing button, so that'll let you switch modes. And you have your power button and a USB-C. You got some ratcheting action in the headphones when you expand them, so you should be able to get it to the size that you want. A little bit of cushion up here. Nice soft memory foam on the ear cups. Oh, fit perfectly. Wow. Wow, fit perfectly. My ears do fit inside of the holes. All right, with the hat off, that's what I'm dealing with. All right, yeah, I'm like that. I'm not mad at that. All right, let me go ahead and pull the app up. Let's see, Soundcore, hear it, feel it. Now we don't want the Q30s, we already connected to those. Let's go to the Life series, Life Q35. Let's go ahead and connect. And right now, yeah, we are in the noise cancellation mode. Let's click on that. Let's just kind of run through it. So right now we're in transport. This is gonna help with people talking around you and the engine noise. You know, let's switch to indoor. I know that this PC back here has a nice little hum to it that I'm usually hearing. That's gone. I do not hear the fan noise from my light or this other PC over here. Everything's kind of gone away. Let me switch to transparency mode, and wow, I sound loud. I sound super loud. I can hear myself really well. Oh man, that's really cool. I can imagine this would be the mode I would use if I'm at the grocery store and the cashier is trying to ask me why I bought so many kumquats, and I'm like, yo, I like kumquats. Stay out my business, fool. What's wrong with you? Let me get these kumquats and go. Plain and simple. All right, let's go back in here, and you could go to the equalizer mode. And this is where you choose between Soundcore's different sound signatures. They have that Soundcore signature, which is their default. Then they have a bunch of different versions. I'll be honest, for the music that I listen to, I like to switch it to that R&B style most because I think it does real well boosting those low end and really making those vocals shine. So this is my Amazon HD playlist. Bunch of songs on here. If you guys make any suggestions down below in the comments, I'll try to add them to this playlist. I like this song, Ultra HD, Girl by the Internet. Let's go to this one. All right, that was nice. Let me switch it up, man. I need that, because that bass is wild. That bass is serious. I need something that's gonna bring that bass out. I'll count 6 shots. Woo! Okay, hold on. Wow. All right, one more song. I can't have a Griselda, Derringer, Benny, Conway, Westside Gun shirt on with the Benny 38 Special hat and not play no Griselda. Let me get this Benny the Butcher.
Said I'ma be a legend soon. I'm a legend now.
Whew, okay, hold on. Yo, these sound fire. Yo, these sound so good. What the hell, Soundcore? What are you doing? So I went through, and on that last song, I was switching through the noise modes. And I'll say I was really surprised and happy that the audio didn't really change going from mode to mode. When I'm in normal, like I said, I can still kind of hear some things behind me, but the song still sounds the same. Same thing when I go to noise cancellation, all that background noise just kind of dies, and I'm really getting the song like laser focused into my ears. Transparency mode, it kind of opens it up so I can hear the world around me. I'm not gonna say like a pair of open back headphones because that is like ambient noise being pumped back in, but it does kind of give that feeling without affecting the music too much. Oh man, wow. Okay, let me try something. They said it should be crystal clear calls. So I'm gonna try to make a call right now. Let's see if I can do that. See if we get the Van Gloria Hova on the line. Why am I calling you? I am testing out these new Soundcore Life Q35s, and they said they should have really improved audio. So you tell me with your own words, and I'm gonna relay them back to the YouTube audience. How does the audio sound? Okay, that's what's up. So she says it's cool. May not be as clear as other devices that I've used before, but she can hear me and things like that. All right, I'm gonna talk to you later. Say bye to the people. So let me go ahead and take these off. I gotta say, I like this color a lot more. Hopefully it will come through in the camera, but you got this blue compared to this almost dark blue purple with these. This one is a much lighter blue. I really like this vibe. Also, down below in the comments, let me know if I should do a video comparing them head to head to let you know which one you should buy if you don't have either one and you're looking for a new pair of headphones, all right? But yo, I'm gonna get up out of here. I got some more music to go listen to, but these might be my new daily driver headphones. See, a big thing you don't realize is that being that you can plug these in with an aux cable, now I can plug them into my audio interface, use them while I'm editing, especially if we have that crystal crystal clear, high-res audio. I'm gonna be able to edit the way I need to with these on. I know a lot of people use different versions of the Q series to do things like podcast, you know, mix down their videos, things like that. I'm really not mad at these. They might become a staple in my situation. I'm gonna get up out of here. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.